If you're looking for the next big thing in AI, you found it. OpenClaw isn't just a chatbot, it's an autonomous agent that can actually do the work for you. It all started as Claudebot, created by Peter Steinberger. Since then, it has evolved into a powerhouse of local-first automation. The core philosophy of OpenClaw is local first. Your data stays on your machine, giving you total sovereignty and privacy in an era of cloud dependence. But here's the kicker, it has full system and terminal access. It can read, write, and execute code just like a human developer would. It acts as an orchestration layer, giving large language models like Claude or GPT eyes and hands to interact with the real world. Whether it's Telegram, Discord, or Slack, OpenClaw integrates seamlessly, allowing you to control your AI from anywhere in the world. Unlike stateless chatbots, OpenClaw has persistent memory. It remembers your preferences, your projects, and even learns from past mistakes. It uses a modular skill system. You can download pre-made skills or build your own to tailor the agent to your specific business needs. And it's proactive. It doesn't just wait for you to ask, it can monitor systems and initiate tasks autonomously while you sleep. Now let's talk about the part you've been waiting for, how to turn this technology into a revenue stream in the US market. The US market is hungry for automation. Companies are willing to pay a premium for efficiency, and that's where you come in. Method 1. Freelancing at scale. Use OpenClaw to handle technical debt, bug fixing, and testing for US clients on platforms like Upwork. A task that would take a human developer a week can be completed in hours. You can take on 5 times the workload without burning out. Method 2. Building micro SaaS. Identify niche problems in American industries and use OpenClaw to build and deploy solutions rapidly. With low overhead and automated maintenance, these small apps can generate recurring monthly income with minimal manual effort. Method 3. Legacy system integration. Many US companies have old software that needs to be modernized or connected to new AI tools. You can offer high-ticket consulting services to bridge these gaps using OpenClaw as the integration layer. It's a blue ocean opportunity. If you are a Laravel developer, OpenClaw can scaffold and deploy entire applications directly from your mobile device. Think about that speed. We are entering the era of AI coworkers, agents that don't just help you but actually earn money by completing professional tasks autonomously. The global interest is so high that some regions are offering massive subsidies and free office space for startups building in this ecosystem. We're even seeing new hardware, like the iPollo Claw PC, designed specifically to run these agents 24/7 without taxing your main computer. But with great power comes great responsibility. Since OpenClaw has deep access to your system, security is paramount. It can identify patterns of fraudulent activity and flag anomalies in real time, essentially acting as its own security guard. You must manage your API keys and secrets properly. Always vet the skills you download from the marketplace to ensure your data stays private. With Peter Steinberger joining OpenAI, OpenClaw is transitioning to an independent foundation, ensuring its open source spirit lives on. The 2025 roadmap includes multitask marketplaces and even multi-agent competition leaderboards. The ecosystem is just starting to explode. You can also use it for deep research, summarizing long reports, tracking trends, and building complex work briefings automatically. In finance, OpenClaw can support algorithmic trading by processing news sentiment and historical data faster than any human could. It can even manage multi-channel customer service, drafting structured responses, and maintaining a consistent brand voice across platforms. Web automation is another huge area, filling forms, extracting data, and controlling browsers to perform repetitive digital tasks flawlessly. For content creators, it can repurpose content, generate captions, and analyze performance across all your social media accounts. It connects applications without manual scripting, reducing your operational work and letting you focus on high-level strategy. Even smart home and health monitoring are within reach as the ecosystem expands to interface with more connected devices. So to recap, automate business processes, boost your development speed, and build new AI-driven products for the US market. The growth in token consumption by these agents is driving an exponential demand for hardware, creating massive ripple effects in the economy. Small US businesses are already adopting these agents for lead generation and CRM management. You are at the forefront of this wave. Imagine an agent that researches prospects and audits websites for you 24/7. That's a direct path to scaling your sales. It can sync data across platforms and trigger actions based on events, virtually eliminating the need for manual data entry in your CRM. For any business, this means significant cost savings and a much faster time to market for new features and services. By mastering OpenClaw now, you position yourself as a rare expert in the next generation of software engineering. This is a global competition, but the US market offers the best rewards for early adopters and innovators in this space. Automate your stand-ups, your code reviews, and even your server monitoring. OpenClaw is the teammate that never sleeps. Remember, OpenClaw is about action. It moves beyond generating text to actually performing tasks in your digital environment. Clear your inbox, manage your calendar, and even check in for flights. Your personal productivity will hit levels you never thought possible. Take one piece of content and let OpenClaw repurpose it for 5 different platforms, matching the style and voice of each one perfectly. For the serious developers, think about automated test suites that fix themselves. This is the future of resilient software. You aren't locked into one provider. Switch between Claude, GPT, or even run local models entirely on your own infrastructure for maximum control. With providers like Amazon Lightsail offering pre-configured instances, starting with OpenClaw in a professional environment has never been easier. The agent maintains a diary of your work, allowing it to provide a more personalized experience the more you use it. It can create spec files, manage code sessions, and even resolve errors by opening pull requests directly on GitHub. Pure automation. Analyze social media sentiment and market data in real time to make informed investment or business decisions without manual monitoring. This is a high-ticket skill. Consulting for US companies on AI agent deployment is one of the most lucrative paths in 2025. As these agents proliferate, the demand for hardware and AI infrastructure will reach unprecedented levels. You're in the right industry. Start small, automate your own workflows first, and then scale your services to clients. The opportunity is yours for the taking. OpenClaw gives you the power of a global software house from the comfort of your own desk. It's local power with global reach. With over 100 pre-configured skills and a growing community, the OpenClaw ecosystem is a frontier of innovation that is just beginning. Stay curious, keep your agent updated, and always be on the lookout for new skills in the marketplace to stay ahead of the curve. The future is autonomous, and I want you to be a part of it. We've covered a lot today, but the journey is just starting. See you there.